What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing? Oh man, this thing's heavy. We're gonna be throwing this snowmobile engine right into this go-kart, and you're gonna see how it turns out. And then we'll see how it goes. Pretty excited to see how this turns out. My biggest problem I'm going to have probably myself in general is running my throttle and brake. Which the brake, I'm thinking about just doing a, like right on the side, like almost like a suicide shifter on a motorcycle. Used to have one of them on mine. Thing was awesome. Got a lot of attention on that, but yeah, so we'll get back to working on it. Keep watching, like, and subscribe. Can't wait to see the finished product. Alright, quick update on the go-kart. Everything's going good so far. This welder I got from Amazon is so happy with it. So I got the back half welded up for the engine to sit on. Tomorrow or this week sometime, I'm going to start working on getting the top, whatever you want to call it, shaft or something for the pulley system, the brakes, all that stuff. So I'm going to give you guys an update here by the end of next week. I'll have a video on it, and it should hopefully be halfway done by that video, and then post another one a week or two later. I'll have more videos coming up. Hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, so this is what I got so far. I got the back welded up. It's not 100% done yet, but majority of it is. It's giving me a really good idea on what I got to do next. I have all these blocks up here so it doesn't tilt back on me when I'm welding and all that. Keep it all nice and sturdy. So we're gonna see what I can get done this week. Weather here in Pennsylvania isn't too great, so if I'm slow at work, I'm gonna start working on this thing more. Thank you. So a lot of you guys might be wondering how I'm going to keep this engine cooler during the higher temps, because a lot of old snowmobile engines are air cooled. They don't have the coolant and all that jazz like these new sleds have. I will have a new sled hopefully by summertime. Brand new. I'm looking to get one when prices start going down. But right now I have this fan here. I'm going to put that right on the back of the seat. And then I have a battery I'll put somewhere on this side for it, just to kind of keep it cooler. Not sure how well it will help, but we'll try it out. And then over there, I'll probably put my gas tank somewhere. I'll have to make a little spot for it. But everything as of now, I have it figured out. Has to be behind this frame here, all back there. Everything's going to be back there. I got to get a bucket seat yet for it. And that might be it. Not sure if that's it. I gotta look into what I will have. I think just the seat I need yet. And oh, the tires in the back, I'm probably just gonna pull them off my four-wheeler, slap them on there. Hopefully that works. because I'm gonna want something a little bigger on the back end of it. Really hope all this works out. Like I said, this is my first build ever I'm doing. I love doing this, taking videos. I'm enjoying it, I really am. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright, here's a little update. I'm going to get some more done tonight and post a video on it. Hopefully get her fired up tonight. But got the top mounted up there. I'm going to get the bottom sprocket, axle lined up. Get that hooked up. Get the wheels on. And then gas tank I'm going to have to figure a spot out for. And yeah, coming along actually better than I thought. The biggest problem is my chain. I'm about to figure out the chain here. Not sure if I'll get that done tonight, but I'll make a video tonight, post it on YouTube, and give you guys an update before we get her out in the field. Alright, so for my first update video, I have everything almost together. My drill bits fried on me, so I'm about to get this fastened down tomorrow. Hopefully I'll get that done. I'm going to try getting it started. That'll be the end of the video. So far everything's been coming along pretty nice. My welds are actually holding up. Well, I think they are. We'll see once I get it going and out in the field. So we're gonna get it fired up. Like I said, that'll be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I can't wait until this is all done. This is gonna be an awesome build. I'm happy with how it's coming along. I don't know if you guys can all see everything, but don't look at the welds. Don't look at the welds. We'll see if they hold up when everything's together. But yeah, like and subscribe. Till the next time. Thank you. We're going to try getting her started here quick.
And Byron Larson,
make sure
Pittsburgh. 6 Chevys, 4 Fords in the top 10. Christopher Bell is the first Toyota in the race.
And to make sure the key still works. Now I don't have the full exhaust on, so I'm not going to let it run long. That's not too good for 2 strokes. We got back pressure and all that.
Was that your last call? No.
So we're just gonna pop her over and see if this all spins nice and go.
Stage points
then we'll get back to it tomorrow.
League in that department with 16, 10 for first.
Hopefully by next weekend we'll have it running.
And the 2 stage wins, 9 for second, down to 1 for 10th. You get a point for the
I'm gonna put my earplugs in because I think this might be pretty loud.
At 187.6, subject to change.
Try to get the key.
Love this racetrack. Love the job they did changing this place. I've seen everything I want to see out of a race today, and it's not over.
Well, Busch and Hook have different lanes. We'll have to wait to see how that works. Been a lot of dramatics at this speedway. will be caution-free to the finish.
I'm glad you asked. 6 races on this new configuration in 7 car. After the last caution lap, 2:46, 14 to go, 3 times on the first 10 laps. And that's the last time they were here.
Yeah, buddy. Heck yeah. We're on to something. Till next time.